everyone, we are going to Avignon. Welcome to Avignon. We just had breakfast and starting our tour of the city. It's cold outside, almost freezing. Avignon is one of the most beautiful cities in Provence, with a beautiful and majestic old town and an arched bridge over the river, the symbol of the city. The history of the town changed completely when the Popes moved here. The grandiose palace of the Popes remains from that time. This is an UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular destinations in France. Please consider subscribing to the channel, drop likes and leave your comments below. Avignon is known as the site of one of the largest international theater festivals. The festival takes place in July every year. It's Sunday morning and not many people around. You can take pictures without avoiding the crowd. We were not allowed to film the museum, but we'll be able to show you the courtyard. Let's go and see. St Bénézet Bridge, or as it's often called Pont d'Avignon, is one of the main landmarks of the city. It was first built in 1177. Legend tells us that a little boy named Benoit, who later became known as St Bénézet, at the age of 12 was divinely instructed to go build a bridge in Avignon. This bridge was destroyed now during the siege of 1226.